Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and you are ready for a new week of distance learning. This week on Guided Reading, we are going to be looking at a new book. But first, let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. I have made a video explaining each reading strategy in depth, so you can watch that and you can use any of these reading strategies to help you with your reading. The ones I want you to focus on are your eagle eye and your stretchy snake. Your eagle eye is when you look at pictures for a clue to help with the word, and your stretchy snake is when you look at the letters in the word and you stretch out the sounds. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Race. R-A-C. You have a go for me? Good job, well done. Let's try it all together one more time. Race. R-A-C. Good job, well done. The book that we're going to be looking at this week is called The Race. So boys and girls, here is what your book looks like on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. The Race. Cat and Tiger push the buttons. Time to play, but what to do? Tiger had a micro buggy. Cat had an idea too. Tiger looked and saw Cat playing. A snail to ride on? What a joke. This micro buggy is so fast you will only see my smoke. Race you to the tree, said Tiger. Ready, steady, here we go. Tiger shot off like a rocket. Cat on her snail was very slow. Tiger shot off in the buggy. Then he saw a dragonfly. Look at that! Cat went on, all slow and steady. Tiger missed her going by. Wow! Tiger daydreamed he was winning. He sat there with a happy grin. Then he went off in his buggy, sure as ever he would win. Oh no! Slow and steady is the secret. Slow and steady never fails. Slow and steady beat the buggy. Cat was waiting with her snail. I win! Now that I've finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you are struggling, you can listen to me read it again, or down here on Oxford Owl you have the audio play button where they will read it to you. This week on Guided Reading we are doing another word search. So to access the word search, all you need to do is click the link that I provide in your portfolio. When you click the link, it will come up with this page. To join the word search, you just need to enter your name and press start. When that has loaded, you need to press start and you need to find all of these in your word search. Don't forget to send me a picture of your lovely work. Enjoy and have fun.